Causes of the French Revolution. Financial crisis. The French monarchy faced severe financial difficulties due to years of war and extravagant spending. The burden of taxation fell heavily on the common people, leading to economic hardships and discontent. Social inequality. The French society was deeply divided into three estates, with the clergy and nobility enjoying privileges and exemptions while the commoners faced heavy taxation and limited opportunities. This stark social inequality created resentment and a desire for change among the lower classes. Enlightenment ideas. The Enlightenment, with its emphasis on reason, individual rights, and equality, had a significant influence on the French Revolution. Philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu propagated ideas of liberty and equality, challenging the existing social and political structures. Key events and phases. 1. Estates General and the National Assembly. 1. In 1789, King Louis XVI called for the convocation of the Estates General, a representative assembly comprising the clergy, nobility, and the Third Estate, commoners. 1. The Third Estate, feeling underrepresented, declared itself the National Assembly and demanded political reforms. 1. Storming of the Bastille. 1. On July 14, 1789, Parisians stormed the Bastille, a symbol of royal authority, in search of weapons and as a show of defiance against the monarchy. 1. The event is considered a crucial turning point and a symbol of popular uprising. 1. Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. 1. In August 1789, the National Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, which proclaimed the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. 1. It became a foundational document for the revolution and subsequent human rights movements. 1. Reign of Terror. 1. From 1793 to 1794, the period known as the Reign of Terror witnessed a wave of political violence and mass executions. 1. The Committee of Public Safety, led by Maximilien Robespierre, sought to suppress counter-revolutionary forces and maintain control. 1. Rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. 1. In 1799, Napoleon Bonaparte staged a coup d'état and established the consulate, effectively ending the revolutionary period. 1. Napoleon would later become emperor, bringing stability but also consolidating his power. Impact and legacy. End of the monarchy. The French Revolution led to the abolition of the monarchy and the establishment of a republic, marking the end of the ancient regime. Radical political and social reforms. The revolution brought significant political and social changes, including the adoption of new laws and the elimination of feudalism. It aimed to create a more egalitarian society based on principles of liberty and equality. Spread of revolutionary ideas. The French Revolution inspired and influenced subsequent revolutionary movements across Europe and the world. It ignited a fervor for political change and the pursuit of democratic ideals. Rise of nationalism. The revolution fostered a sense of national identity among the French people, leading to a rise in nationalism and patriotism. It contributed to the formation of modern nation-states. Long-term impact on Europe. The French Revolution challenged the established order in Europe, leading to a series of conflicts and wars, such as the Napoleonic Wars. It reshaped political landscapes and contributed to the downfall of monarchies in various countries. Note: the French Revolution was a complex and multifaceted event with many interconnected factors, events, and consequences. The points mentioned above provide a brief overview, but there is much more depth and detail to explore within each aspect of the revolution,